हेलो दोस्तों। आज मैं आपके बीच आया हूँ एक इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करने। वैकेंसी नोटिस, सीनियर पर्सनल असिस्टेंट एंड पर्सनल असिस्टेंट एग्जामिनेशन इन दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ स्टेनोग्राफर। Commencement date for submission of online applications 6 March 2003. Last date and time for receipt of online application 31st March. Last date and time for making online fee payment 31st March. Last date of closing of window for correction 3rd April. Online applications are invited from persons who are citizens of India or subject of Nepal as per instructions issued by the Government of India from time to time for filling up following existing vacancies for the posts of senior personal assistant and preparing a panel therefore. Senior personal assistant, total vacancy 60, 11 for general, 10 for EWS, 23 for OBC NCL, non-creamy layer, SC for 9 and ST for 7. Personal assistant, total vacancy 67, for general 29, EWS 6, OBC NCL, non-creamy layer, SC 10, ST 5. Essential qualification. For the post of senior personal assistant, graduate from a recognized university and having a speed of not less than 110 words per minute in shorthand English and 40 words per minute in typewriting English on computer with good working knowledge of computer. Only such candidates who possesses essential qualifications as on the last date of submission of online application need to apply. For the post of personal assistant, graduate from a recognized university and having speed of not less than 100 word per minute in shorthand and 40 word per minute in typewriting English. On computer with good working knowledge of computer, only such candidates who possesses essential qualifications as on the last date of the submission of online applications need to apply. Age limit. Applicant candidates' age should not be below 18 years and over 32 years as on 1st January 2003. Thus, the applicant should have been born not earlier than 2nd January 1991 and not later than 1st January 2005. Candidate should note that date of birth as recorded in the only matriculation secondary examination certificate, mark sheet or an equivalent certificate only will be accepted for determining the age of eligibility and no subsequent request for its change will be considered. Age relaxation. SC ST 5 years, OBC NCL 3 years, PWD General EWS 10 years, PWD OBC 13 years, PWD SC ST 15 years, ex-servicemen 3 years. Reservation. Consistent with maintenance of efficiency of administration and subject to availability and order passed by Honorable Chief Justice from time to time, 15% post for scheduled castes, 7.5% post for scheduled tribes, 27% post for other backward classes, non-creamy layer, 10% post for economically weaker section and 4% for persons with disability on horizontal basis shall be reserved for appointing through direct recruitment. There is no reservation of vacancies for Group A and Group B post for ex-servicemen. Reservation benefits will be available to the SC, ST, EWS, PWD category candidates in accordance with the extant instruction orders circular issued from time to time by the government of NCT of Delhi. Candidates who wish to consider against reserved vacancies for Sikh age relaxation must be in possession of relevant valid certificates SC, ST, OBC, EWS and non-creamy layer PWD etc. issued by the competent notified authority on or before the cut-off date 31st March 2003. OBC candidates who had been issued their caste certificate from outside Delhi and or the caste of which they belong is not recognized as OBC in Delhi will not be entitled to for OBC reservation. Thus, OBC reservation benefit shall be given to only those candidates who are in possession of OBC certificate issued by the competent authority of the government of NCT of Delhi for the castes recognized notified as OBC by the government of NCT of Delhi. To further clarify, the certificate issued by the competent authority of the government of NCT of Delhi for the castes recognized notified by the government of India for appointment to the posts reserved under the government of India will not be treated as a valid OBC certificate. Candidates belonging to OBC category would also be required to submit the non-creamy layer NCL certificate issued from the competent authority of the government of NCT of Delhi in case her caste certificate was issued in the previous financial year. Further, the said NCL certificate should have been issued in current financial year 2022-23, that is between 1st April 2020 and 31st March 2023 by the competent authority of Government of India or Government of NCT of Delhi. Crucial date for claim SC, ST, OBC, EWS status, etc. or any other benefit with free concession, reservation, etc. were not specified otherwise will be the closing date for receipt of online application. The vacancies advertised under EWS category are as per the instruction issued by the DOPT. Mode of selection. For the post of senior assistant, personal assistant, eligible candidate will be required to appear for English typing test, English shorthand test, main descriptive examination and interview as per the following scheme of the examination. It means there are four stages. Stage 1, qualifying stage, English typing test. Typing test of 10 minutes duration will be conducted on computers to assess candidates' minimum speed of 40 words per minute in English typing on computer. The criterion of characters with space for calculating the typing speed will be adopted and total number of mistakes permissible would be 3% of the total words typed. Only the successful qualified candidates of stage 1, that is English typing test, will be called for the next stage of examination, that is stage 2, English shorthand test. English stage 2, English shorthand tests, 110 words per minute. Total marks 100. The passage of 550 words will be dictated in 5 minutes duration. Candidates will get 45 minutes duration to transcribe the dictated passage on computers. No extra time will be given for reading the passage. Total number of mistakes permissible would be 3% of the total words dictated, that is 16 and a half. 6 marks will be deducted for committing one full mistakes each, and 3 marks will be deducting for committing every half mistake. Candidate committing 16 and a half mistakes will get 1 mark. Candidate committing more than 16.5 mistakes will be disqualified. Each candidate will be given opportunity to appear in 2 shorthand dictation transcription tests and best of the 2 will be considered. 2 बार डिक्टेशन बोलेंगे आपको, उसमें से जो आपकी बेस्ट होगी वो आपको वो कंसिडर करेंगे. Out of the successful qualified candidates of stage second English shorthand test candidate to the extent of 6 times the number of vacancies advertised in the each category. जो भी वैकेंसी हैं उसका 6 गुना वो पेपर के लिए बुलाएंगे टाइपिंग में जो पास होंगे. स्टेज 3 मेन डिस्क्रिप्टिव एग्जामिनेशन. नो ऑब्जेक्टिव, ओनली डिस्क्रिप्टिव. Main descriptive examination of English language would consist of essay 250 words 40 marks, letter writing 15 marks, grammar and comprehension passage 25 marks, and translation from Hindi to English 10 marks and English to Hindi 10 marks. Total 100 marks. Minimum passing marks for general category candidate will be 50%, that is 50 mark out of 100 marks, and for reserved category including PWD candidate will be 45%. Total 120 minutes. Out of the successful qualified candidates of stage 3 main descriptive examination, candidates to the extent of 3 times the number of vacancies advertised in the each category, that is general, EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, ST, PWD, only will be called for the next stage of examination, that is stage 4 interview. For the post of personal assistant, post for senior personal assistant एंड पोस्ट फॉर पर्सनल असिस्टेंट, इन दोनों में सिर्फ एक ही अंतर है, वो है टाइपिंग स्पीड, शॉर्ट हैंड स्पीड. सीनियर पर्सनल असिस्टेंट में 110 की स्पीड मांगी है और पर्सनल असिस्टेंट में 100 की स्पीड. बाकी सेम और सारी स्टेज सेम है, कोई चेंजेस नहीं. स्टेज 2 सेम एज इन सीनियर पीए. स्टेज 3 सेम मार्क्स, सेम एग्ज़ाम. एग्जामिनेशन फीस फॉर सीनियर पीए 1000 रुपीज़ एंड पर्सनल असिस्टेंट 800 रुपीज़. नो रिफंडेबल. How to apply? The candidate shall register only online. Email ID. Last date of closing 3rd April 2003.